On today's fun project, we're going to rev it up. Welcome to the Ozzstar channel. I'm Glenn, and on today's fun project, we're going to do something a little bit different today. Normally we're fixing cars, but as you see behind me, I've got 3 Corvettes here in the garage, and I thought it'd be a good idea if we do a little rev up vote. So what I mean by that is I'm going to profile each car. I'll show you or tell you a little bit about each car. We'll do a cold start on each car, and then we'll individually do a rev up on each car. So I'll get everything up to normal operating temperature. We'll rev it up, and at the end of the video, if you'd like, leave a comment down below. I'd like to do a little, vote kind of thing where you tell me which car you like best and the reason why, whether it's the looks, the sound, what have you. And the winner of the car that wins or gets the most votes, let's say in the next, I don't know, couple months, we'll do something special with that car. So that won't be the end of it. But anyway, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Let's get to the cold start and take it from there. So here's the 77. It's got a modified front end. It's got a modified rear end too. If you haven't seen the video where I brought this car back to life, check that out. It's I think it was sat about 15 years before I got it going again. So anyway, it's got a 350. It's all set up with forged pistons. It's got stainless steel valves. It's got a B&M polished supercharger, or blower you could call it, with the twin carburetors. So it's got plenty of power, and I'll show you the back end here, and then we'll do the cold start on this one. Sorry if the camera's a little bit shaky, but so it's got a modified rear end, and let's do the little rev up now. So let's have a look at my 93. This will be car number 2. This is painted in bright aqua metallic. I get a lot of questions about the color. It's all factory. It's a 40th anniversary for 1993 was Corvette's 40th anniversary year. And it's got the LT1 in it, which is a 350. This one's made it to a 4-speed automatic. That's the, what is it, the 4L60 transmission. And what I do like about this car is the originality of it. It's all stock. The only thing that's been changed is the radio head unit with the speakers, but it does have stock exhaust, and it is a very fun car to drive. And I'll tell you, if you're looking for a Corvette, you can get into the market very inexpensively, I should say, for a nice looking C4 Corvette. But anyway, I'd say, in my opinion, in 92 to 96, those are probably the cream of the crop for the 4th generation, because they have that LT1 engine. But anyhow, why don't we fire this up? It's got the stock exhaust system, and see how it sounds. Well, here's car number 3. This is a 2018 Corvette Grand Sport, and it's in Admiral Blue with the red hash marks right there. It's got Brembo brakes, which stop on a dime and give you 9 cents change. They work awesome. And this also has an LT1 engine, but a newer style than the 93. The 93 LT1 only has about, I think it's 300 horsepower. This one is 460 horsepower, I do believe. And it's a real fun car. Of course, the suspension system on it is really amazing. So is the steering system. It's got a carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber removable Targa roof. In fact, I did a video on that one. You can check that out if you're interested. But anyway, this car is a lot of fun. I got it at the end of January. Just turned 2,000 miles on it. So I've been having some fun with it. Now this car does have different settings as far as touring mode, economy mode, sport mode. So the exhaust system is stock. Everything on this car is stock. The exhaust system has electronic baffles in it. So if you're in touring mode or economy mode, they're going to be closed to get the car a little bit quieter. But for this case, we're not in track mode, but we'll be in sport mode. And that's what we'll do our rev up with. So sorry for the shaky camera there. So why don't I get in there and fire it up, and you guys let me know what you think. Well, I hope you enjoyed that rev up video. I had a lot of fun making it. I didn't take any of these cars past 3,500 RPM, believe it or not. So they can get more louder, more aggressive. Anyway, it was fun to film. Now I just got to decide which one I want to take out for a spin. Often people ask me, hey, which Corvette that you have is your favorite? You know, and they're like my kids. I love them all. But anyway, don't forget to comment down below. Tell me which one is your favorite, which one you liked and why. That would be great. Share the video, please. That helps my channel grow. And don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. So other than that, stay tuned for future videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to vote. Take it easy.